If you're learning French, I bet you want to be able to have proper conversations with French people. So, from an early stage, you'll have to ask questions and answer them. If you don't, it might become a little bit weird. In today's video, we're gonna cover the most common French questions. The goal is to help you understand quickly the structure of those questions and help you communicate in French even if you're just a beginner. So, if speaking French is something you're interested in, I invite you to watch this video until the end. What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel Palaf, where I help you become fluent in French. For those who don't know me yet, I'm Lily, your native French teacher, and in today's video we're gonna talk about questions. The who, what, when, why, where, how.
Mais non Lily, il faut le dire en français. Tu vas apprendre à poser des questions qui commencent par comment, qu'est-ce que, est-ce que, pourquoi, quand, où, qui. Ça marche?
Yeah, that's what I meant. Remember how you get frustrated when you can't understand French people speaking? Well, that's because, as in any other language, the way we speak and the way we write are quite different. So by the end of this video, you will not only learn how to form these questions correctly in French, but also how to ask questions in a more informal way. Alright, and just before diving into our topic, let's shout out the comment of the week which actually inspired today's video. Thank you so much, Reggie Fox, for your kind comment. If you want to be the next one featured in my videos, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below asking me a question in French with the vocabulary you're going to learn in today's video. Alright, the question number one would be comment. Comment. So the most common question beginning with comment would be comment t'appelles-tu? Which is the right way of writing it, by the way. Comment t'appelles-tu? But the way French people would actually ask out loud would be comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? And same goes for comment vas-tu? Instead of saying comment vas-tu, you'd say comment tu vas? Comment tu vas? Ou comment ça va? Comment ça va?
Comment ça va?
Je vais bien et toi?
Bof, pas vraiment.
Ah bon? Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Question number 2. Qu'est-ce que?
Non. Qu'est-ce que tu racontes? Il n'a pas dit ça. Et alors, qu'est-ce que tu as fait?
Here, some really important thing you have to know is that sometimes, okay, most of the time, French speakers use quoi instead of qu'est-ce que. So for example, qu'est-ce que tu as fait becomes tu as fait quoi? Or t'as fait quoi? T'as fait quoi? Qu'est-ce que tu as dit becomes tu as dit quoi? Or t'as dit quoi? Well, my mom really hated it and still hates it when I use quoi. Okay, it sounds lazy and not very nice, so sorry mom, but let's be honest, that's the way we French people actually speak most of the time.
Ah ouais, je comprends. Est-ce que tu vas la revoir?
Next question, est-ce que? Est-ce que? Hey Taylor, est-ce que tu sais pourquoi les pêcheurs ne sont pas gros? Parce qu'ils surveillent leur ligne. Okay, something you need to know about est-ce que. Sometimes when we speak, it totally disappears. So let's take est-ce que tu vas bien? Are you okay? Est-ce que tu vas bien? It's actually going to be tu vas bien? Tu vas bien? Which means exactly the same. Est-ce que tu vas bien? Tu vas bien? Another example would be est-ce que tu veux venir? Or tu veux venir? And that's when the intonation of your voice is really important to make the difference between a simple sentence and the questions you're asking. For example, the simple sentence would be tu veux venir? And the questions would be tu veux venir?
Tu veux venir?
Tu veux venir? Question number 4. Pourquoi?
Pourquoi tes blogs sont toujours aussi nuls?
J'y peux rien, c'est de famille.
Tiens, et en parlant famille.
Question number 5. Quand?
Dis-moi, quand est-ce que tu vas voir ta famille?
Ben tu sais, quand on pourra recommencer à travailler. Quand on pourra recommencer à voyager.
Ah, oui, parce qu'ils vivent où déjà?
Question number 6. Où? Où. So, Où vivent tes parents is the right way of asking it and writing it, but in a normal conversation between French people, you would probably hear tes parents vivent où? Or ils vivent où déjà tes parents? Ils vivent où tes parents? Let's take another example. Où sont tes clés? Would be the right way of asking it. Où sont tes clés? And we would say tes clés sont où? Or elles sont où tes clés?
Ah, je les ai données à Pierre.
À qui? Et c'est qui Pierre?
Ah, personne. Juste un ami.
Juste un ami. C'est cela, oui.
Bravo! Aujourd'hui, tu as appris à poser des questions en français qui commencent par comment, qu'est-ce que, est-ce que, pourquoi, quand, où, qui. Par exemple,
Tiens Taylor, comment tu vas? T'as passé une bonne journée? T'étais où? Et avec qui? T'as fait quoi? Et t'es rentré quand? Answers in the next episode. If you want to see more content like this, give this video a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and also let's practice what we've learned in today's video together. So leave me your question in French in the comments below and I'll make sure to respond. And if you're looking for an effective learning method to study French, I recommend you watch this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today and I see you in the next one. Qui est là? Ah, Taylor, c'est toi, tu m'as fait peur.